Now I'm gonna edit my video while Trevor finishes breakfast. Okay, videos are all airdropped to my phone and it's currently 1:41, if you can see that. How long do we think it's gonna take for my video to be uploaded? I'm thinking 3 o'clock. Let's see. Okay, I'm so good at this because I literally posted my vlog exactly at 3 p.m. Vlog is posted, it's 3 p.m. You guys, I'm gonna start waking up earlier tomorrow. So hopefully when I start my vlog tomorrow, the next vlog, I'll be waking up at like 6 a.m. Cross my fingers. I think I'm gonna start cleaning though because Trevor's been cleaning. Look how good everything looks. He put the rug underneath our dining table and it looks so good. It wasn't there for like all of the Christmas season just because it was constantly getting dirty, but it looks so good in here. And then he also cleaned the kitchen and he did all of the dishes. I love him so much. Now it's my turn. Okay, this is what we're cleaning because that's fucking nasty. And then also this in all these drawers. And then we're gonna put that one, all my painting stuff on that one. That fucking catch, bro. I might put this Valentino perfume in the giveaway. So stay tuned. She smells bad. It's been a while since I've been able to see my makeup desk. Okay, this rolling cart I'm using for my painting supplies. So. Okay, boom. She is all clean, you guys. Oh my god, maybe now I can actually get on the makeup grind again. And if anyone's wondering where my intro comes from, does that look familiar at all? Now it's time to turn this into my painting little rolly cart. So I think I'm gonna do like brushes and my water bowl on top and then paints and then whatever else, so. Okay, you guys, so back in October, I received these painted blushes and one of them upon arrival, was smashed. James saw my post and he swiped up on it, asked what shade it was, but I haven't heard anything since, so I'm just gonna fix this. Yeah, I opened it up completely to literally powder everywhere. Such a pretty shade and I have yet to be able to try it. So this one is in the shade Dolly Doll. And this is how it came, you guys, like completely smashed. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work, whatever. It's been sitting on my makeup desk for literally 4 months. I have this little spatula thing and I'm first gonna start by breaking this up. Maybe I'll put a paper towel underneath it to catch all the extras. I'm gonna put this down. I'm gonna put some heavy weights on the side. I'm literally gonna dump this. Here we go. Yes. Now I'm gonna try to take this little thing out. Yes. Oh my God, you guys, we're chilling. We're literally chilling. Okay. Hopefully I can just like put this here. Pick this up. Yeah, and then hopefully I can literally just go like this. Oh my God, this is stressful. How much more is there? God damn. Oops. I don't know how to go about this. Not like that. I just go like this. Fuck. Okay, you guys, it's officially time for dinner. Let me close these curtains because they look real scary. I'm gonna be making my famous zuppa di scana today. It's the copycat of Olive Garden's. This is literally my prized possession recipe. So if you guys wanna make the best zuppa ever, follow along, okay? Not me just now realizing I can extend my fucking tripod up. That's crazy. First, we take a good Dutch oven pot thing. First thing I use is Jimmy Dean sausage. I got sage this time because I've never seen this one before and I'm gonna try it. I don't usually get this one. I usually get maple, but if you want it spicy, get the spicy one. So we're gonna put this on medium heat and cut this bad boy open. I can't believe I just now realizing that my tripod can extend up. That's crazy. Okay, while that's cooking, you're gonna dice half of a yellow or white onion. Now this is done, I'm gonna switch it over to a little container over here on the side. So now we have cooked sausage. Okay, and then while the bacon's cooking, I'm gonna chop these into bite-sized pieces. So for my chicken broth, I use this. Literally, this is the key to it tasting so delicious. So I get hot water and I put in just about however much I want. To be honest, I don't measure. And then I do 8 cups of this. And the hot water like mixes it together. This is about how much I use. Our last piece of bacon is done. And the key with this is you want the bacon grease, but you also don't want all of it because then we're gonna fry our onions. So I take out a majority of it and I just put it in a dish to the side. Okay, so literally I want like that much, if you can even see. Our onions, put them right in. Now I'm gonna put in some garlic. I just minced up a little garlic. All of that goes in. And then this is how it should be looking. The onions should have color on them because the pan we used before, we didn't clean it like after we did the bacon and everything. Now that that cooked for like a minute, I'm gonna take about 1 tablespoon of flour and just sprinkle it over everything. Mix to combine. This is just gonna help thicken our soup later. Now we're gonna take the chicken broth and slowly add it to our mixture. So I'm gonna add a little bit, mix it, add a little bit more, mix it. Now we're gonna wait for this to boil and then we're gonna add the potatoes. Okay, and then coming back over here to the cutting board, we have our bacon that we cooked. So now I'm just gonna chop this up into little pieces because we're gonna add this back into our soup later. Nah, because you guys wanna see something funny? Remember the other day we had chicken tortilla soup left over? Can someone please tell me why I just went to go melt the butter? And there's still chicken tortilla soup. Oh my God.
Hold on. Yeah, total scam, bro.
Okay, this is boiling, so I'm gonna add the potatoes now. Oh my good Lord. Then I'm gonna let this boil for like 15 minutes. Zing zong, zing zong. Okay, potatoes are fork tender. Now is the fun part. We get to add all the stuff back in. So we're gonna add the sausage, the kale. Okay, then I added the heavy cream and then now time for seasonings.
You're really putting Annie's in 10. Good idea, thumbs up if you... So it's funny. Make sure you I'm gonna skip. Oh my God. Like if you enjoyed it. Friday! Super glue gloves. My idea. Retest us. I think that'd be fun. Me and Kim gotta go retest. Behind you guys. Behind you guys. Support the big beach.
Okay, Trevor literally was fucking begging me if we can make chocolate molten lava cakes, so we're making chocolate molten lava cakes. And then he has the audacity to say, we didn't even work out today.
Nah, that's crazy.
I'm just gonna fucking measure, I don't know.
How much cocoa do I need?
Oh, in there?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we were mixing dry ingredients in the bowl. Soda.
Oh, I need an apron.
I just disappeared. Yo.
See ya. We have to get a bigger pot. Okay, apparently now we sprinkle this over. Never heard of this in my entire life, but whatever. This shit is not gonna be good for us.
Yeah, not one bit.
Okay, now I have to pour this over. Have you guys ever fucking heard of this ever in your life? $80 child. Let me talk to her. Babe, guess how long she has to bake for?
222.
No,
333.
no,
444.
no.
Okay. 11 minutes.
80 minutes.
That's gonna be a while, bruh.
Okay, here is the molten lava cake. And I realized after looking at the recipe, it said chocolate molten lava cake for a crowd. So
Hey, so
there's this entire
party at our place. Pull
party
up.
at our place. Everyone gets molten lava cakes. And also, we just started 1923, and it's so good.
Great show.
It's
Love
so
it
good.
so far.
So that's where we'll be.
Fuck, girl. God, bussy. Is that cooked?
I don't know if that's cooked.
I mean, it is a molten lava cake, but that don't look cooked, girl.
Oh well. She's not completely cooked, but oh well.
Well,
Molten lava chocolate cakes. Yum.
yummity dummity.